I'm Doug Wardell with DL Remodeling. A lot of times people have a home and they've lived in it for many years and they're very happy there. They know their neighbors. It's in a good location for them, but they've outgrown it.
We do kitchens, bathrooms, additions, siding, exterior renovations, dry rot repairs. We've always tried to do our additions and our remodels so that they fit with the home, so that they look like they belong, they were a forethought rather than an afterthought.
I'm Doug Wardell III with DL Remodeling. We take pride in quality and workmanship. We want to do the project right and we want it to last for the homeowner. We want projects to live through the generations and you know, be successful rather than, yep, you slapped that up and called it good. We're here for a few weeks. They live with their home for, you know, what may be a few years to many decades. And 20 years down the road, I still want them to look at it and go, you know, that was really worth it. This kitchen has custom paint grade cabinets with shaker doors and soft close drawer glides. This ceiling box here that was for the decorative pendant lights to hang from is a one-off pine box that was stained and clear coated, you know, to the homeowner's liking specifically. As a local small business, we purchase most, if not all, of our materials from local suppliers supporting local small businesses. One of the things that we do is you know, we start with the homeowner and a list of their wants and their needs, and we help them develop a finished product.
My name is Scott Hillier and we're the homeowner, and we had a kitchen remodel done with DL Remodeling. Couldn't be happier with the final product. The kitchen looks absolutely wonderful. Throughout the whole process, both of the Dougs were excellent to work with. Great communication, helped us walk through all the little projects or tasks we wanted to try to tackle, and they helped us get what we wanted in the end, so we were very happy with it.
We've always tried to provide our customers with a great product that will last. So I'm not always the first one to jump on the bandwagon of the best new sliced bread in town. I like to see things work for years. Oftentimes I will try things in my own home before I'll allow them to be used on a project in customers' homes.
One of our goals has always been to do a remodel in such a way that it doesn't look like we've been there.
We revamped the whole kitchen by tearing out some walls, relocating the utilities for the appliances, and redesigning the complete kitchen. All the cabinets were built in the custom cabinet shop to the homeowner spec. We were able to completely change the look and feel of the home when you walk in the front door. The upper deck was done with a walkable membrane material so that the downstairs deck stays dry in the wintertime and gives them a deck that they can use in the fall and the winter and still enjoy their outdoor space. If you would like to contact us, you can contact us through our website at dlremodeling.com, or you can give me a call at 503-508-0648.